Chevrolet Bolt EV offers rear seat reminder.
So you're reminded not to leave anything behind in your rear seat.
Well, I don't have any pets or kids, so why would I need a reminder?
Well, have you ever gotten to your destination and realized you forgot something in the back seat? Like a laptop or backpack?
Maybe. So how does it work?
Bolt EV has sensors that identify when a rear door is open, either before the vehicle is started or anytime during a trip.
Oh, I get it. Is it easy to use?
How about we get in and see?
Sounds good.
Before you do, why don't you put that in the back seat?
Okay.
Now with your foot on the brake, press power. Then press it again to turn the vehicle off. That's the reminder chime. And there's a message in the driver information center too.
Yeah, it says look in rear seat. I like that.
Say you're running late for a meeting, you jump out and forget your laptop. Sound familiar?
It may have happened once or twice. Can I turn it off or is it always on?
Your choice. On the display, select settings, then rear seat reminder. And you can turn it on or off, but I think you should leave it on.
Yeah, I think you're right.
And that's how the rear seat reminder works on the Bolt EV.